Hello dear students, I am Mr. Abhijit. This is the demo practical that I am going to show you for the determination of hardness of water. So these are the glasswares, funnel, conical flask, beaker. We need pipette. This is the pipette for titration and burette. So if you see here, this is the burette and burette stand. This is the knob of the burette. Now first of all we will take a water sample. In this I have taken a water sample that we need to check. Now this is EDTA solution. I have taken it into the beaker. This is buffer solution. This solution also I have taken in the beaker. Now this is, if you see here, this is Heliochrome black tea indicator. It is the dropper. So with the help of this we are going to take indicator 1 or 2 drops. Now we will proceed for the practical. First of all we will rinse all the glasswares by water. You have to wash it completely and make it clean. So we are washing the burette. Then we have to fill up the burette with EDTA solution. First of all I have filled it above 0 mark, because if you see here at the bottom there is a air gap. So I want to remove the air gap, and that's why I am removing the solution from it. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे एयर गैप रिमूव हो गया है, and then I am making the solution at 0. यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं 0 लेवल पे मैंने solution को सेट किया है. This is actually the procedure of filling up the burette. We'll take the water sample in a beaker. So this water sample I am taking 10 ml with the help of pipette. Pipette से solution को suck करना है. यहाँ जैसे 0 मार्किंग दिखाया है, 0 मार्किंग तक आपको solution लेना है. And after that you are transferring the solution into the conical flask. अब हमें क्या करना है, buffer solution लेना है 1 to 2 ml तक. So I have kept here the conical flask and I am taking 1 ml of. Now I am adding 1 drop of EBT indicator, which is blue in color. So if you see here, if I have added the 1 drop, the color of the solution becomes wine red due to the formation of complex with hardness causing substances. Now I am titrating it with the EDTA solution from the burette. While titrating, you have to add drop by drop solution with constant shaking, and you have to observe the color change. I am adding it drop by drop and shaking the solution. Now as the end point reaches, the color of the solution becomes pale blue. This is the end point of the titration, because the color is changed from wine red to pale blue. Now you have to note down the reading from the burette. You have to take 3 readings for the same solution to get the mean or concordant reading. So we are changing the color from wine red to pale blue. Now in this way we have taken the 3 readings for simple water sample. Now we have to repeat the same procedure for boiled water sample, and we have to take 3 readings. So with the help of those readings we will get temporary hardness, permanent hardness and total hardness. So with this we stop here. For such important and informative videos, please subscribe to my channel Chemistry Learners. Thank you.